let's start with the topic. And this was a request because many of you are coming to Spain. I live between Spain and California. That's why my schedule is all over the place. So many of you are coming to España and you say like, enséñame algo, teach me something, right? So that's what I will do. Please let me know if the music is okay, all right? So you're traveling to Spain, you want to have an unforgettable trip, but you don't know no español, nada de español. So let me teach you the most basic things you need to know. But please understand this is a series. So anything you want me to teach you that I didn't include here, please comment down below what you want me to teach, and I will record another video with these sentences. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with some basic greetings, all right? The very, very and most basics you already know, you don't need me to tell you, is hola, buenos días. Let me show you that. Hola. Later I will ask you to repeat after me, and please let me know if you prefer this format, like bigger on the screen, or you prefer más pequeño, smaller, like this, okay? Let me know. So, guys, the most basic ones you probably already know is hola, buenos días, good morning, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. And yes, buenas noches is both good night and good evening. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes. We say this all the time. The elevator, when we arrive to places with neighbors, all the time. Muy bien. Buenos días. People in Spain, we are really nice. Usually we smile a lot. You can create a lot of amigos here. Okay, now let's start with the tech. For example, you will ask, ¿Dónde hay Wi-Fi gratis? And yes, we say Wi-Fi, okay, not Wi-Fi. I know in some other Spanish-speaking countries like Mexico, they probably say Wi-Fi, but they say Wi-Fi. We say Wi-Fi in Spain, okay? ¿Dónde hay Wi-Fi gratis? Gratis, free. If you really don't need it free, you can just say ¿Dónde hay Wi-Fi? Or if you really need to charge your computer or phone, it doesn't happen to you like my virtual assistant that she was traveling and she has no charger at all. She says, or at least that's what she says, not to work, right? That she doesn't have a charger, but you should say necesito un cargador. Necesito un cargador. All right, now it will be your turn. I will shut up, so you repeat. ¿Dónde hay Wi-Fi gratis? All right. Necesito un cargador. Got it.